I know making content can be very stressful, particularly when you don't have the needed gadgets to creating quality videos, and is why I am here. In this video, I will teach you how to make pictures move and speak with ease, and guess what? It is all free. Stick around because at the end of this video, you will be making your own AI videos just like a pro. Welcome to Life Mirror blog. Let's dive in without wasting much of your time.
We're going to be using ChatGPT. You can download it from Google Store or you can use Chrome. So here I'm using Chrome. So this is what I typed. This is the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. I said, create a 3D pixel image of a beautiful African American young looking lady in her early 30s, very beautiful with long luxury hair, wearing an elegant blue t-shirt with a white inscription Life Mirror blog on it, with a dark blue jean trouser and a blue matching sneakers. She is seated in a luxury office chair in her workstation inside her luxury room. Let the workstation be well decorated with books in the bookshelf and a big luxury table in her front with good lighting. Very important. Let her be holding a blue pen and a book, having a beautiful smile with white puppies seated beside her. Let the image be in 16:9 aspect ratio. So this is the prompt, and then here we have ChatGPT already generating the image. Voila, our image is generated. Okay, so this is very beautiful, clear and accurate. So this is what we're going to be using for our video. So click on this download arrow to download your ChatGPT image. Okay, so just click on it and then it will be downloaded. The next app we're going to be making use of is our Hailuo AI. Here is it. You can download it from Google Play Store. This is the interface of Hailuo AI. You can use it for image to video generation, text to video generation. So we're going to be clicking on image to video generation and we'll use that ChatGPT image for it. So click on that. This is it. These are different things you can do. This is camera control. You can choose your camera control, how you want the image to move, what direction. There are different ones. You can test them or try them to see which one you prefer. This is free selection as well. You can try them to see which one is suitable for you. Okay. Next, you'll select the image you're going to be using for the video. We're going to be using that ChatGPT generated image. So this is it. These are the videos I have created using this app. So you click on album. Okay, you have your album right there. This one down here are the ones I have created using this app. So click on album to bring it to your gallery. So this is the two generated image from ChatGPT. You take the one you want to take. Okay, so here we go. Tap on this pencil icon and type the action you want the image to perform. Yes, right there. So this is what I typed. She's seated talking to the camera and making natural hand gesture and occasionally touching the puppy's head while the puppy wags its tail with its mouth open. So basically, this prompt here is about what you want the image to do for you. So you mustn't prompt it this way. You can prompt it to whatever action you want the image to perform. Okay, so this is mine. Next, you choose your camera control, which is not necessary. You can either choose cinematic shots or free selection. You can choose up to 3. So once you're done, click on this white space here to generate your image. All right, so our image is being generated and it is super fast if your network is very good. So these are some of the works I have done using this app. Okay, so the good thing about this is that you can always minimize and come back. It doesn't affect your progress. So now here we go. Our image has been generated. Tap on the image to take you to where you can download it. Right, so you click on that download button to download your image. If you want to download it without watermark, you will pay for it. So download it with watermark and use another editing tool to edit it. I'll teach you that in my next video. So an image has been generated. The last app we'll be using is DreamFace. You can download it from Google Play Store as well. So we'll be making use of the video lip sync. You can do photo lip sync or video lip syncs, but we will be using the video lip sync because we have successfully used the other app to convert our photo to a video. So click on this video lip sync right here. So it will take you to your gallery where you will select the video you want to lip sync. So these are the videos that we initially lip sync using the other app. So you click on the video. So here is our photo in a video format already. So now you're going to type the words, that's the lip sync you wanted to perform. So we are going to give it a voice. Click on that voice. These are the list of voices. So if you want to use your own voice, you click here and then create your own voice. So you click on create your own voice to take you to this place where you can record your own voice. You can input a sound or a voice from a photo, and also you can also record a sound or a voice as document or file. But this is not the option I want, so I'm going to go back to the other option. So these are other available options. You can try any one that you want to use. You have a child voice, you have female voice, male voice. You also have celebrity voice, rapid voice, very fast. So I'm choosing Nina's voice here, a female voice. So here you add script, type what you want, click on type, and then you type exactly the voice you want to give. Once you're done typing, click on confirm and then click on animate. A video is being generated. It is super fast.
Thanks for watching this video.
To download this video to your gallery, click on this arrow here. Okay, so it is going to be downloaded with watermark. In my next video, I'll teach you how you can edit it with another editing tool to remove the watermark. So guys, our video has been downloaded successfully, now saved to the album.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you derive value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Please, do well to create your own AI video today, and don't forget to tag me to it. See you again in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching Life Mirror Blog. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. See you again in my next video. Bye.